In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find what folder an email is in Outlook. If you've ever lost track of where Outlook filed a message, this quick walkthrough will show you how to pinpoint its exact folder in the web version of Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted, simply sign in the way you normally do. When your inbox loads, look for the Outlook search bar across the top of the page. This is the built-in mail search, not the browser's address bar. Click inside that search bar to activate it. To track down your message, search using a detail you remember, such as the sender's name or a distinctive word from the subject line. Type that into the search field. Outlook will begin showing matching results as you type, drawing from your folders. Review the results list and find the exact email you need. When you see it, click the message to open it. With the email open, Outlook displays its folder location, so you know precisely where it lives. On the web interface, look toward the bottom left area of the message view. You'll see a label showing the name of the folder that currently contains the email. That label is your confirmation of the message's home. Whether it's in Archive, a project folder, or something moved by a rule, you'll now know where to navigate in your folder list to find it again. If your search returns too many messages, refine what you type by adding more of the subject, the sender's full name, or another unique keyword. Even partial matches can help narrow it down quickly. A few quick reminders for a smooth experience. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple mailboxes in the same browser, and double-check that you opened the email from the search results before looking for the folder label, since the location appears only when the message is open. Also, give Outlook a moment after you run the search to finish loading results, especially on a slower connection. And that's all there is to it. By searching from Outlook's built-in search bar, opening the message, and checking the location shown at the bottom left, you can immediately tell what folder an email is in and get back to it whenever you need.